Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. For today's video, kitang-kita nyo naman sa title, what I'm going to do is i-share ko yung mga current favorite kong everyday makeup, skincare, and also body care. Ito mga ipapakita ko sa inyo guys are products na ginagamit ko almost every day and actually yung iba sa kanila talagang everyday. And medyo madami kaya naisipan kong gawa ng video because I feel like medyo matagal na din yung last time na gumawa ako ng favorites. And usually kasi kapag gumagawa ako ng favorites video, isang category lang siya. But before that, of course, if this is your first time on my channel, if you haven't already, make sure to click the subscribe and bell button so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Body care muna yung pag-usapan natin and yung first two products na ipapakita ko sa inyo are from Pretty Secret. These are the two soaps na ginagamit ko currently. First one is called Pretty Secret's Feels Like Magic Kojic Diamond Peel Soap. Ayan guys, this is how it looks like. And yung second soap naman is called Pretty Secret's White Me Up Lightening Gluta Soap. And ganito naman siya. Personally, ako talaga guys, hindi ako mahilig gumamit ng mga products na Kojic because usually yung ano kasi nun, di ba, parang effect is nagbabalat yung face. That is something na iniiwasan ko kasi di ba, mahilig ako mag-makeup and what will happen is kapag nilagyan ko yung face ko ng makeup and nagbabalat siya, pangit yung magiging finish. For those of you na naghahanap ng Kojic soap na perfect for everyday, yung hindi masakit sa skin or mahapde, yung moisturizing and also nakakalighten ng skin. Eto guys, I highly recommend na subukan nyo siya kasi sobrang ganda talaga. And it smells really nice as well. Kahit na naka-plastic siya, maaamoy nyo talagang amoy papaya siya and sobrang fresh. I've been using this soap for almost 4 weeks now and even once, never ako naka-experience ng hapde. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko tong soap na to from Pretty Secret. May ibang soap kasi na sobrang hapdi sa skin di ba? Parang kahit ilang seconds mo pa lang nilalather, ramdam na ramdam mo talaga yung stinging sensation and uncomfortable siya. Tapos what happens is, kapag binanlawan, di ba, ang pula ng mukha. Etong soap na to hindi siya ganun, kaya sobrang happy ako and na-enjoy ko talaga. Ito naman yung second soap from Pretty Secrets and again, this one is called the White Me Up Lightening Gluta Soap. And eto namang soap na to, okay na okay siya for people na ang hanap is yung nakaka-lighten, moisturize, and deep cleansing. Ayun kasi yung claims and benefit nitong soap na to. And same sa kanilang Kojic soap, this is also paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free. Eto namang soap na to, more on fresh yung scent niya. Kasi yung isa, di ba, amoy papaya, amoy fruity siya. And dito naman sa soap na to, yung na-notice ko nung sinubukan ko siya and ginamit is parang mas smoother sa pakiramdam kapag hinahawakan yung face. And meron siyang vitamin C nga. And alam naman natin, di ba, na sobrang okay na okay yun and magandang ingredient sa skincare. This one as well, sobrang mild lang niya and gentle sa skin. Kaya I feel like both of these, okay na okay, especially if you have sensitive skin kasi nga, hindi siya nagsisting and wala siyang hapdi factor at all. And also, can I just say na sobrang love na love ko yung packaging kasi lahat ng info and details talagang nandito. Even yung direction for use, nakalagay siya sa likod. Anyway, if you guys want to get your hands on these products, available to sa Watson's physical stores, Watson's online, and also sa SM Beauty section. Another body care na ginagamit ko lately, especially if I want to treat my skin, is also from Pretty Secrets and this one is yung kanilang Lightening Milky Salt Scrub. And sobrang cute ng name niya guys, You Milk Me Feel Alive. This one as well, okay na okay siya if you have sensitive skin or kaya manipis yung balat nyo kasi yung pinaka-ano niya, scrub, hindi siya sobrang gaspang. Unlike other scrubs na nasubukan ko before, tapos grabe guys, sobrang bango din ito. Legit na amoy milk talaga siya, tapos ang yaman ng amoy, grabe. Personally ako guys, ayokong gumagamit ng scrub everyday, kaya etong isang to ginagamit ko lang siya 2 to 3 times a week. Or on days na feeling ko parang sobrang dry tignan ng skin ko and kailangan niya ng TLC. Dito naman sa isang to, ang ginagawa ko guys is binabasa ko muna first yung body ko. Then after that, all I do is nirarub ko lang siya sa aking body in circular motion and fino-focus ko talaga siya sa mga areas na medyo darker compared sa ibang parts ng skin ko. Mainly sa aking siko and also sa tuhod. Tsaka sa buong legs ko guys, kasi palagi ako naka-shorts and exposed siya sa araw kaya hindi pantay talaga yung hita ko and yung legs. And dito din sa isang to guys, kapag binanlawan nyo siya, makikita nyo talaga sobrang linis tignan ng skin. Parang baby skin, ganun yung feeling ng skin after siyang gamitin. Kaya I really enjoyed using this and naging favorite ko siya. Instant fave actually. Available din to sa Watson's online, sa stores ng Watson's, and also sa beauty section ng SM. Skincare naman tayo this time and actually isa lang yung i-recommend ko sa video na to and that is the BLK Cosmetics Aqua Jelly Moisturizer. This one is actually yung bago nila and I'm really happy because bago to i-launch, actually sinand na nila sa akin kaya na-test ko na siya. And this one actually, ang dami ng bawas eh. Half na lang siya kasi everyday ginagamit ko siya, morning and night. And eto namang moisturizer na to, okay na okay siya if you have oily skin kasi hindi siya oily sa face. Yung consistency kasi niya is gel to parang water, if that makes sense. Ayun o, diba? Tingnan nyo guys. Para siyang gel. Tapos once you rub it sa skin, what happens is nagiging mas liquidy siya. Look at that. And legit na parang ano na lang siya, guys. Tubig once you rub it. Tapos grabe yung amoy na to, guys. Amoy summer, amoy watermelon siya. Kung familiar kayo sa Wondermelon line ng BLK, ganun yung scent niya. And tignan nyo, guys, oh. After a few seconds, konting rub lang, na-absorb na ng skin. Tsaka hindi siya malakit, guys, which I really love. Especially ngayon, di ba, since mainit. Sino ba naman tao yung gagamit ng ano, 'di ba, product na hindi komportable sa face? As much as possible, especially kapag ka summer, kapag ka ganitong mainit, umiiwas talaga ako sa mga products na may oil. So yeah, again, this is my current favorite moisturizer, and again, for those of you na may oily skin, ito yung isa sa mga bagong moisturizers na maire-recommend ko. Alright guys, so sa mga makeup naman tayo this time. Yung first kong entry is a brow product, and that is the hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. Schwarzkopf? Basta, got to be guys, ayun na lang. Anyway, again, this one is called the Got to Be Water Resistant Spiking Glue. Ito yung maire-recommend kong brow setter kasi talagang ano siya guys, kahit nag-o-oil up kayo, hindi bumabagsak yung kilay. Talagang stay put lang siya buong araw. Especially ngayong summer guys, I feel like ito yung pinaka-perfect gamitin sa kilay because alam mo talaga na ano kapag ka nilagay mo siya, hindi mo naiisipin kung babagsak pa or papangit siya. Very affordable too. I got this for only 99 pesos, naka-sale siya. And imagine, di ba, for 99 pesos, you already have 50 ml. Grabe, sobrang dami niya. And what's good about this kasi is, konting-konti lang yung kailangan mo. Actually, sa akin, kapag ginagamit ko to, pea-sized amount lang, 2 kilay na yun, okay na ako. Imagine, di ba, for 99 pesos, 50 ml, definitely, maglalast sa inyo to. And probably, aabutin ng taon, especially kung hindi naman kayo everyday na nagkikilay. Medyo hindi ko lang gusto dito is kapag ka natuyo siya, medyo makintab. Of course, this one as well is part of my current favorites. This one is the Issy & Co Active Skin Tint, and yung shade ko dito is Beech. Nagawan ko na ng video and wear test to, kaya if you guys want to know the full details, just check that one out kasi lahat talaga sinabi ko doon guys. And for your reference, this is how the shade Beech looks like. For those of you na naghahanap ng perfect for everyday base, definitely at yung isa sa maire-recommend kong bago na pwede nyo subukan because maganda talaga siya guys. Sobrang skin-like nung finish. Okay na okay itong skin tint na to, especially kung yung hanap nyo is yung ano lang, pang even out ng skin tone. Very lightweight, comfortable sa skin, and also perfect for oily skin kasi this one guys, oil-free siya. Tsaka meron din siyang SPF 35, kaya okay na okay to, especially kung mahilig kayong lumabas. Another product na sobrang love kong gamitin lately is from Careline, and this one is yung kanilang loose powder. Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder yung tawag sa kanya, and yung shade na gamit ko guys is si Sugar. This one as well is super perfect for everyday, especially if you have oily skin kasi true to its claim, talaga nakaka-mattify siya and nako-control yung oil. And dito naman sa isang to guys, yung hindi ko lang masyadong gusto is yung butas niya or sifter kasi masyadong malaki, kaya what happens is kapag binuksan nyo, medyo messy. And I really hope na sana in the future, baguhin nila, mas nipisan kasi ayun nga, ang kalat niya, B. Tsaka hindi din cakey tong powder na to, kahit sa under eye, ipang-bake nyo siya. Especially kapag malapitan dun sa mga areas na merong fine line and cracks, hindi siya nagsasettle. Actually, ito yung gamit ko ngayon sa face ko, guys. I've been wearing this makeup for almost 4 hours now. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako nagre-retouch. Ang ganda pa rin ang itsura ng makeup ko. Another current favorite of mine is from Qibest, and this one is yung kanilang Jupiter eyeshadow palette. This is how the palette looks like once you open it, and as you can see, sobrang nice na mga shades. And actually, this one is a dupe for the Kendall Jenner eyeshadow palette ng Kylie Cosmetics. Actually, ito din yung gamit ko ngayon sa eyes ko, guys, except sa glitter. Sobrang love na love ko tong palette na to, guys, kasi diba sobrang unique. Actually, hindi na siya unique kasi diba nga ginaya nila si Kylie and Kendall. But in terms of colors, diba, hindi siya yung usual colors na makikita mo or mabibili sa Shopee. Sobrang nice ng palette na to, guys. Very pigmented, very easy to blend. Yung mga matte shades, pinong-pino, hindi siya chalky. Ang ganda. Imagine, diba, for less than 270 pesos, meron ka ng dupe ng Kendall palette. I mean, look at that, guys. Tignan nyo naman yung swatches, diba? Sobrang intense nung pigment. Hindi mo iisipin na Shopee makeup brand lang siya kasi yung quality niya, kaya makipag-compete sa high-end. This next one is also from BLK at yung bago nilang lip oil, at yung tawag sa kanya is the Wondermelon Lip Treatment Oil. And obvious naman guys, na sobrang love na love ko din siya because as you can see, almost half na lang siya. Actually, half na lang talaga kasi mukha lang siyang medyo madami because meron siyang applicator. But look at that guys, oh. Dami ng bawas. If you guys have dry lips, this is going to be your best friend kasi sobrang hydrating and moisturizing niya sa lips. The consistency is really nice as well kasi hindi siya sobrang lagket, sobrang lapot, and hindi din naman sobrang labnaw. Saktong-sakto lang yung consistency niya kaya very comfortable sa lips. And even yung scent, grabe, napakabango. Amoy watermelon siya, very refreshing, and amoy summer. Parang kapag ginamit mo to, alam mong ano na, summer na talaga. So basically, what I do guys is binababad ko lang to sa lips ko. Then after a few minutes, kumukuha ko ng wipes. Tapos pinupunasan ko na. Then after nun, makikita nyo sa wipes, talagang nandun na yung mga dead skin. Even before mag-apply ng makeup, ginagamit ko to para sigurado talaga na kapag maglalagay na ako ng lipstick, mawala yung mga dead skin or dry patches. Final products na included sa favorites ko are from MERZY, and this one is yung kanilang Velvet Tint. I actually have all of the shades dito sa isang to, but dineclutter ko na yung iba. And ang naiwan na lang sa akin is si number 14 and also number 15. 14 and 13 pala guys, sorry. And ito yung swatches nila. First one is number 14 and yung second is si number 13. Actually, this one guys, sobrang tagal niya ng sikat pero lately ko lang siyang na-discover, and in fairness naman, worth the hype kasi ang ganda ng quality. Pagdating sa lip tint, iba talaga ang Korean when it comes sa formula. Sobrang ganda. Anyway, going back, so eto nga yung swatches, and as you can see, sobrang nice na mga shades kasi very MLBB. Yung shade number 14 para siyang mauvey pink. Tapos ito namang shade number 13 is more on peachy pink na kulay. Kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko sila because yung ibang shades kasi nila dito parang sobrang orange and sobrang red, and hindi ko talaga trip yung mga ganun eh. Kilala nyo naman ako, di ba? Ayoko talaga ng orange or yung parang reddish orange. You don't need a lot as well. And actually kapag ginagamit ko tong tint na to, what I do is blotted lang. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa loob tapos binablend ko ng finger. Look at that, di ba? Sobrang rich pa din kahit stain na lang siya. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.